This is the Fiskars fruit picker. So if you've got apples or other fruit that's in a tree and it's a little out of reach and a ladder isn't practical, and if you can get to it with a pruner, which this is designed for, or if you can get to it with a broomstick, then you can attach this fruit picker to whatever, like I say, a limb cutter or a telescoping pole that can get up there. And then you've got this basket with a cloth container, so you can get a couple of 3 or 4, maybe more apples in there, peaches, whatever it is you're going after. You've got the ability to give it a little bit of an angle, so depending on how you're going to be reaching up there and how the fruit is on the tree. And then finally, the design of this is to have these fingers, so to speak. So the same way you're going to go up and grab an apple and pull on the stem, this can go up and grab that apple, pull on the stem, and then the apple falls into this basket. And again, it works with any kind of fruit that might be high up in a tree, made by Fiskars, high quality polymer, decent connection to the bag. This one works with the pruning stick, but they also make one that's a standalone on the end of a telescoping pole. And this way, you don't have to worry about getting up on a ladder to retrieve that fruit. Hope this helps.